Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energies. So if you have any doubts or if you want some answers for something you are thinking about your circumstances, maybe, guys, you can watch that may give you clarity, Aries. So let's start with these cards. So we have Three of Earth, Ace of Water, and High Priestess. So in your situation, guys, Aries, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe you were quite unclear about certain things. You had some confusions or some doubts. Maybe something was not clear to you. So maybe in your work situation, some opportunities or offers you did not have the clarity, but today you know the truth behind these circumstances or these choices. So everything is right in front of you for you to understand today, guys. And the reason may be because of people in your life. Maybe you have a good team of people helping you, supporting you in your work. So you have common dreams or goals, and you have a dedicated team ready to collaborate. So it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, maybe with this person you love. You have a perfect friendship, a deep understanding, good communication, and things are what to say, really cool between you both. You feel so familiar, deeply connected, and even before you telling them what you really feel, maybe this person comes out with that. So that may be the level of understanding you both have, guys. So this may be a true love, a deep love you both share. And maybe this person understands your heart. Maybe they see you clearly, and the reason you feel this way with this person, maybe the love you both share. It may be unconditional love you have towards this person or they have towards you. So you have great hopes and plans for your future, guys. And they want to spend they want you in their life, and that is the reason they are coming towards you with a wedding proposal or engagement proposal. So some positive changes are what I see, guys, in this relationship. It's going in a very positive way, and it is the level of this connection. It may be an unconditional love you both have towards each other, guys. That may be the reason for these beautiful set of cards pointing out towards that deep connection, open communication both of you have. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have transformation. So in your relationship, we were speaking of unconditional love. Maybe that may be the reason we have this card here. So, this card stands for change, maybe some kind of transition for your highest good, maybe based on the past experience. You have realized the worth of love, and you are in a circumstance you have given up all that selfishness you had, and that may be the reason you have this person. So, what is the highest good for both of you? You are moving towards that in this relationship, guys. Maybe there may be some troubles, but all that is going to give you a better understanding of each other, and things are going to transform towards something really unbelievable for both of you guys. Aries. So, for your career situation, Aries, we have 4 of air. So, with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe you are waiting for the right opportunities in your work situation. You have a clear mind, you know what works well, and you are waiting for the right opportunity. And whatever difficulties you faced in your work situation, you are healing from it, guys. So, this is the time of recovery, Aries. So, that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you. And you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. for those who chose this card. That is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is fork in the road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away? So this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong. But the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.